Morning, y'all. Zach Staten with Sweet Wing Gardens here. This morning we're going to be doing something new. Some of you may know, but many moons ago, about 5-6 years ago, we had a terrarium and succulent airplant company doing it at farmers markets and things like that. Oh, hello, Kat. Thank you. Yeah. So we're going to be doing that again. We're going to be setting up a shop at local farmers markets and things like that in between harvests and while we're waiting for the next hemp crop to come along. So today, if I've learned anything from my kids, it's that people love watching, and not just kids, adults too, love watching unboxing of things for whatever reason. So I have actually got a big shipment in of new Tillandsias, new Airplants. So they're bromeliads like your Spanish moss that require next to no water and nutrients, things of that sort. They do really well on a kitchen windowsill or something like that. Very, very low maintenance and beautiful plants. So I've got a grower's assortment. I got some small stuff for the terrariums that I'll show you guys in a second. But I've also got a grower's assortment of blooming stuff. So I don't know what's going to be in bloom in here. I don't know exactly how it's going to look, but let's go through, see what we're going to have in stock at our farmers markets and on our websites for our terrariums and whatnot. So without further ado, let's see what we got. We send a lovely poster. This is from Tillandsia International. I believe their website is, yeah, it's just www.airplant.com. But first thing we've got here is our Spanish moss for filler in our terrariums. Some nice, pretty, different sizes. We've got a finer Spanish moss here. This is just basically a mixed grab bag, what the growers wanted to send. Sometimes that's the best stuff. Those growers know what's looking good. Got a nice big stricta clump that we can break down into smaller pieces, and these have a beautiful pink bloom. It's not for you, Kat. No. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Some more stricta. Kat, really? More stricta clumps. Oh, these are beautiful. See these, this is Hericii. These are clumps of that. Let's see what we've got here. Getting down to some of our blooming stuff down here. Ooh, very, very pretty. I know I've had people ask me about these. These are the stricta that are in flower. So they're putting on their bracts. They're not actually flowering yet. You'll actually have either a white or a purple flower come out of the base of that bract. Kat, you're really not helping. Come on, Aria, move. I've got several of these in different sizes. Okay, there's a first time for everything. So much for this. Doesn't work too well with the cats. They want. All right, guys, thanks for bearing with me and the cat. I'll have this stuff up online at our farmers markets real soon, so if you're interested in any of it, you know where to find us. Okay, guys, here's everything unboxed and separated.